Hello all, welcome back to my channel. I am your friend MK. So today's video is about option trading on Dhan Platform. So I've recently opened an account on Dhan Platform and I've been exploring some very good content which they have put together for all the options traders. So if you are an option trader and an active one, then this video is for you. But before we go to the video, I would like to inform that I've seen the analytics around my video content. So I see 44% of subscribers actually they love watching my content, but they're not subscribing. So first of all, press the button down below and make sure you turn on the all notifications for all the good content I've been putting in. So today's video is gonna be in English language only because I've been recently getting a lot of requests that I've been putting a lot of videos in Hindi language because of certain section of people who are very familiar with the Hindi language towards the north side of the country. So today's video is especially made in English language. So sorry for the Hindi language, and maybe sometime later I'll cover in Hindi as well. But let's see how the market was today and how the sheets behaved. So for example, if we go to Nifty, right? So Nifty, we can see it was falling. We will getting a call sell signal, and it drastically went down after the day end. And here we somewhere we got call sell exit. We got a call sell again, but no further follow through. So it again got an exit, would have been cost to cost, and then a fantastic put sell, 17,600 put for tomorrow's expiry. This is on Nifty, which went great, right? Okay, so let's see Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also, actually, Bank Nifty was a little bit more in the bullish momentum as compared to Nifty in the second half of the day, which is very evident from this chart, right? We got 4100 to put only sell. It was a fantastic trade. If you are an options trader and you would be using my Google sheet, then you would know already, right? The automated alerts that gets generated based upon the open interest data. So let's have a look at that as well. Let's go to Nifty first. So Nifty, we got a signal around 158. You can see 17,700 call buy or the put sell, but no follow through. Before that, we just got a trigger, but no follow through again. The whole day was in a no trade zone. Only towards the last 10, we got a trigger, but there was no follow through momentum due to, there was still money to be made if you were selling the put, but not much. Instead, Bank Nifty had a wonderful trade. So if you would have bought the trigger of Bank Nifty, it came exactly at the same time somehow today. So it went till the end around 3,000 profit if you're on a call buy. But considering today being a Wednesday, just one day before expiry, we'll be selling puts. We'll be doing the option selling trade. We'll be writing options. So you can see around 2,000 rupees were to be made on this trade today. So that's about the Google Sheets and the indicators. So let's now jump on the main topic of the video, which is on Dhan Platform. So Dhan Platform has a lot of good features. Uh, it is good for the data consumption, I'll say. I'm personally not going to use it for my actual trading because of some technical glitches or certain reviews I've read online, on Twitter, and I've personally experienced as well. Typically, the time taken to open the process, to open the account until you get your KYC done and stuff is around 2 days, which is manageable, and account opening is free. I'll share the link in the description if you want to use my referral. Anyways, I'm not going to trade anything, so no benefit I'm getting. If you just want to click use my referral, that's fine. Otherwise, also it's fine. So the main thing here is this option trader terminal, which is fantastic. Okay, I've experienced it is one of the best among the service providers because you get this all this information for free. So what it is all about? First of all, if you go to markets, you can see okay, prediction. If your prediction is above or below, so let's say our prediction is below for tomorrow's expiry. So get me some trading opportunities right away. So here it is. It is giving you fantastic put spread, ATM minus 100, ATM minus 200, ATM minus 300. So quite a lot put spreads we can see here of different strike, call spread, beer spreads. They've been automated listed for you. I mean, you don't need to, search strikes and, choose the one. There's a long iron condor, long iron butterfly, all of that already for you. So you can choose, like it's there in sensible as well, right? You can choose your prediction and your view and then quickly take a quick trade. One of these spreads. Spreads are amazing ways of trading. I do a lot of spreads. So just wanted to share this. This is the first section of it, but there is one more which is called the pre-built section here as well. So here, let's say our sense of the market for right now is like non-directional. I want to immediately put a short straddle. Okay, so here is my short straddle. I can quickly save it in the basket, or put it in a strategy builder, or directly execute right away in like one shot, 1 2 clicks. It'll be done for me. So that's the advantage. I mean, time is money, right? So you save a lot of time doing all this, searching strikes. So it's there in sensible. Certain features of sensible which are paid, you get it for free here. So that's the purpose of the video: free tricks using Dhan for option trading. So this is the second part of it. Now the third part of it, is the amazing part of it, is the strategy builder. So let's make a strategy right now, right? So let's remove all this. Okay, what we'll do is click, let's make a calendar. Okay, let's go for next expiry. I am going to sell 42, let's say 100, sell a call sell which is of this price. I'm going to add this. Next leg, I'm going to buy the hedge. So normal diagonal calendar we're going to do. So if you go out, so if you see here, if I do 42 100 and press 1, so it immediately goes to 42 500, meaning all other strikes are illiquid. So system is intelligent. It will not give you strikes for selection which are illiquid in nature. So we're going to buy this. Let's say if I do a plus one more, it goes very far away. So let's keep it till here and maybe keep this here. We'll add this. So immediately the payoff is going to change, right? This is available in Opstra and Sensible as well. So what's the difference in here? Okay, so I'll tell you. Although there are fast create button, you can in a very quick go you can create all of it. But I'm just using for beginners how to. I'm explaining for beginners how to do it in a very quick span of time. So now we're going to do a put. We're going to select an out of the money put. Let's say 41 800. Let's have some buffer. Going to add this. Okay, this is gonna be sell, and the hedge is gonna be, let's say, 41 200, whatever. Okay, this will be a put. I'm going to for next expiry. So here we go. We can see here, right? We have a one call and a put. Okay, I have not gone very out of the money. Let me go out of the money for both. Okay, we need to further go. We need to make it a balanced one. So right now it's balanced, but I'm a little bit on the right on the call side of it. So you can choose the slides and see, perfect balance. What would be a one? So here you can see how much is the max profit you can get on a calendar, how much is the range, break evens, delta, gamma, theta, Greeks, all of that fun stuff is here. Now, best part is what we can do is we can quickly go to, execute orders, or if you have, I mean, you want to directly shoot it, it's asking, are you sure? I mean, is it right? Just a confirmatory. Or let's say I'm going to add this to basket. Let's say my next week calendar, BNF calendar. Okay, I am going to save this, although I can execute as well. But if before execution, if you want to still change it, you can edit an order. Over here, you want to do a limit order, market order, all that functions are there. All right, so what I'm going to tell you is that we are going to just use this. We're not going to trade this. So let me go to my terminal, and let me go to the home page. In the home page, we'll go to baskets, orders, and then basket. Here our baskets are saved. So you can keep your basket, try and add and keep your basket. What is a paid feature? Sensible don't allow you to, I mean, Opstart allows you to only do and save two trades, two strategies. Here you can do multiple for free, and Sensible doesn't allow even try building one strategy for free. All right. I don't know. Maybe in future they will, but whatever it here it is, it's all available for free to you. Just try playing. Try immediately. You can add funds here using UPI and all that. If your fund balance is low, currently I don't have any funds purposefully. So here you can see the PNL table. Okay, so entry price, target price, projected PN of each and every strike. You can see the strategy chart, meaning how the bank nifty spot is moving, and how my strategy is moving, meaning the total debit or the credit is performing. Multi-strike OI. Okay, even in my Google sheet, you see a multi-strike OI. So here, what you can do is you can add a couple of 5 OTM call options, 5 OTM put options, and save a basket of that every day, and then you can observe the multi-strike OI throughout the day. That's the free trick, right? Otherwise, insensible. This is a paid feature in that. So this also you get for free, like how market is moving and how all the open interest uh, of you can see call option, inter open interest, put option. They're behaving in a certain way. So this is also you can quickly do. Then there are other amazing features in it. You want to do normal intraday order or whatever, fast create all of these. You can also do, you can go to directly charts. It will take you to the option traded chart, or also you can do a trading view chart from here. So they are tied up with trading view as well. So let it open. I'll show you. Okay, this is the trading view chart. Immediately it comes. You can use indicators from here, right? Whatever indicator you want to say, MACD. Here are your MACD indicators, right? You can do trading right from here. Let's say Reliance. So you, from trading view, your own trading view, you can punch orders directly, but it has to be cash orders. They don't, they've not integrated futures and options with trading view yet, which is the must needed thing. Let's say I want to buy Reliance market. It will ask you, you want to right now market is closed, you want to execute after 30 minutes. Whatever is the price after 30 minutes, the order will be executed. After 60 minutes, execute in pre-market order, or open session, or execute whenever the market opens next. I mean, you sure of something to buy tomorrow, just put this order. It's like an AMO order, after market order. So that's also there. So this is a very cool platform, but this is not everything. Let me show you a couple of more things. So one of the thing here is, if you go to market section, and if you go to I mean, these are the most active ones for options and futures. If you go to futures, and you see all the futures listed here: OI gainers, OI losers, price gainer, price loser. But what we also wanted to see is the build up. So let's say this Nifty, and in Nifty we go to build up. So every 15 minutes is the future open interest with the price increasing, then it's a long build up. So every 15 minutes you see all this information, which is very handy if you're an intraday trader to making a new. I mean, this is one of the many inputs that goes into my Google Sheet M score calculation as well. So what they have here is really great. Okay, so you should use this. This is option summary. Top 5 traded contracts for the day. You can directly trade any top 5 contract from here. Other good things are the at the money IV. Some statistical details. I mean, those who are Greek lovers, someone like me, it's a very good thing. If I want to view in depth the market snapshot, here is your open interest, change in open interest, put call ratio, PCR by each and every strike, volume wise PCR, live max spin, Okay, all of that is here. And then for each and every expiry, far month, next month, May month. But there is one, not everything is good as well, right? So let me show you what is not good. If you go to advanced option chain, so they have fairly decent option chain, but I what I didn't like is the delta calculation is not accurate. So if you see, the at the money delta is should be 0.5, but somehow it is all one here. So some of the features they really need to look at. For example, option chain you should not use. You may still use any other. Sensible is the best one. For that you shall use Opstra or Sensible. But for the features that are paid in Opstra and Sensible, you should open a free account in Dhan. This, no charges, etc. You can use my link. And then if you want to trade, you can see. If you want to trade, the best technically stable platform is Zerodha. The whole world knows, right? UI wise or execution wise, though they also have their own bad days during volatile days. But if you do a lot of adjustments and brokerage is your concern, then you have other options like Finmasia and some others. Not recommending you anything, but I'm just telling what I have been observed and I personally do. Trade good strategies that requires very less adjustment, for example monthly ones in Zerodha. For example, some of the hardcore strategies that require real-time adjustment or some algos are running, they are all on Finmasia. So there is a purpose of having two, three brokers and what strategy should be running on what broker. So Dhan provides you a very good API as well, but I have not tested all of that. Zerodha and Finmasia APIs are good. Zerodha is the best one, and you may use all of these features, the free features of Dhan, especially the options one, which are really good. Let me show you the basic ones as well, like those who are cash lovers. If you go to home section, over here you see small case on Dhan. Click on this, it will take you to small case. If you want to invest in some of the good small cases, so you can do that in a single click. Let's say all weather let's say dividend aristocrats. It's a free one, free access. 7 years CAGR 21%, very good, right? You can see over the years how it has performed better than Nifty. Okay, now what are the stocks? We can see all of that, stocks and weights. Under this the allocation to mid cap, small cap, large cap, and here are all the stocks: Asian Paints, Astral, all of that. So you can use this and invest or add to watch list. Minimum investment required is this. So for my beginners friends, right, who are in my group, so you can use this. All right. Then option trader I've already explained you in detail, and the best feature of that which I liked is strategy builder, which is beating the paid features of uh, other terminals, right? So you can use this. I'm going to use this personally. uh, then there is something for if you want to learn technical analysis. There is one more for wealth rest, but this is paid one. I've not explored much. If you want to, you can do that. There are like contra stories. They're saying it's 24% CAGR over the 17 years performance. So it looks very great, right? I don't know what it is. It's hidden. You need to have some paid. Need to do some paid things with them, so you can try that. All right. I've not explored this much, but what I wanted to show you is if you are interested in learning technical analysis, if you're a beginner, you want to learn chart patterns, technicals, then you should try this out. It's for hardly 1300. You're going to get 1 year access of all these good videos. What this person is explaining, upsurge guy. So if you're really a beginner kind of a person, so you can try them out. You can see before in hand what all lessons they have on moving average. But I'll tell you, if you want to save some money, all of this, lot of advanced stuff I've been sharing on Telegram channel. A lot of courses by some of the experts. Even if you don't want to do all that, there are tons of videos of on YouTube on all of this. This is if you want to do, you can do. I'm just showing you what all Dhan provides, but you may choose to skip all of that. But what you should not skip is the strategy builder, the build up by 15 minutes, the option chain data, the pre-built strategies based upon your view. So everything which is a paid feature somewhere else, and you can get it for free over here, you should definitely do it. Okay, this was a lot of details on Dhan. So today in our group, I've shared this payoff, right? This is a Batman calendar kind of a looking payoff, a real Batman, with the flying wings. So we were doing some gamification and a rewarding process where I shared this payoff and asked a small question that what do you think would be the strikes of this? I mean, what are the combination of strategies that would make this? It's not a one or two leg, right? So people gave answers, and some of them were really close, some of them were really good answers. And I wanted to reward the best or the correct answer with some of the indicators that I have and that I provide. So uh, really good answers in our group, trading view group. So let me just share the details just for learning proper process, because you know me, I don't hide anything. So here is the strikes mentioned. Now I've clubbed them into three sections. Let's go one by one. At the top, you see is a two set diagonal calendar, meaning we have 9th March call and put sold, and the hedges bought in the next expiry. So this was entered, I mean, two set meaning it has to be in even quantity, 2x quantity. So I entered it on Friday closing around 3 or 3:15, I don't remember, somewhere near the closing hours. On Monday itself, it was giving 1% on the margin, and currently, if I only see this section, it's giving around 1.6 or 1.7. During the day, it was somewhere near 2% on the margin as well. Now, as the closing approaches, this is added today. One set inside hedge, meaning 42,000 is the sold strike. So what is the inside hedge of it? One strike inside is 41,900. One set bought. So if you have sold 20 lots, then 10 lots you've added here. Okay. And similarly, we've done it for the above put strike as well. 40,500. The inside hedge of 40,500 would be 40,600, meaning 100 rupees, uh, or one strike inside a hedge in one set. So this is done. Apart from this, if you only do this, even then it's gonna be a no loss, because market has also remained sideways. But if you think if market is still gonna expire and these are very far off, it's almost 1.5 standard deviation for tomorrow. If you need to make 4% return on 1 lakh, okay. So but it may not go that far on expiry. So then we have a butterfly, a one set call butterfly, right? You can see 2x, 1x, 1x. So this is one set, this is one set, complementing the diagonal calendar. If you do this over the period of time, this is how your payoff looks like. Now, this is not the final payoff. Depending upon expiry, I'll keep changing things. There will be multiple butterflies or ironflies added here and there, and it in a different version of it, it will be a crown. But these hedges, I mean, the diagonal way of calendar would also be there. But if you only look at the expiry strikes, it will start to become a crown immediately. So this is what I wanted to share. Like this is the payoff I asked them uh, in my group for just for learning purpose, knowledge sharing. So this is the whole explanation of it. So I thought it's difficult to explain on chat sometimes if I just tell what was done to make it. So that would be really great knowledge sharing. So again, if you like the content I've been putting, so go to my channel and please just press the subscribe. I know you are watching, but you're not subscribing. So YouTube, for YouTube algorithm to pick if someone is doing really a great job, the only algorithm is if you people like and share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, you put it in the comment. And I'll like to end the video by saying that I am not at all associated with Dhan, neither I do any paid promotion. I'm just a very small options trader like you. I have a very small YouTube channel and a small group of people are connected with me. And I try to impart knowledge. That's my only aim. Otherwise, I'm a very busy man in my own busy life. So I yeah, I mean whatever. If you have any questions, just post in the group, be it Telegram, be it WhatsApp, and there is a comment section. You can put it there. I will definitely answer to your question. So thank you for watching this. I know it's a long video and it's in English today for a particular reason because of so many requests I've got. So thank you for watching this video, and please like and share, and uh, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next amazing content that's gonna come. Bye bye. Signing off. Happy Holi.